Hi, I'm Natasha Frakes. You're watching Market 1 Minute. I'm here with Gorden Glenn, Chairman, President, and CEO of Minnova. Now, you are exploring the PL mine, which, as I understand, is a past producer. So can you tell me a little bit about the history of the project and your plans to restart the mine?
Now, the project has a pretty colorful history. It's, again, past producing gold mine. It's located in central Manitoba in the Flin Flon Snow Lake Greenstone Belt. It was operated in the late 80s for about 2 years. The previous operator didn't have a lot of experience in Manitoba, nor did they have a lot of experience in narrow vein mining. They ended up putting the mine in care and maintenance with the intention to restart it in the early 90s. Fortunately for us, they lost focus and were busy elsewhere. And this project basically lay dormant and forgotten for the late 90s, early 2000s. Since acquiring the project in 2011, we've advanced the project steadily through a series of drill programs, more than doubling the global gold resource to over 750,000 ounces. We've also done 3 preliminary economic assessments, analyzing the economics of the project under a variety of scenarios. And we're currently at the stage where we've initiated a feasibility study on the project, looking towards restarting the project as early as 2018.
Can you talk more about the exploration potential of the PL mine property?
Almost completely untested. Away from the primary PL deposit and the satellite Nokomis deposit, there's really no exploration activity that has taken place in 30-odd years. So we view the exploration potential to be very high. We're starting to get an even better understanding of the geology as we do significant drilling on the PL and Nokomis deposits. We've done 15,000 meters of drilling of our own drilling over the last 4 or 5 years. Again, expanding the deposit, getting a better handle on what controls the gold mineralization, and then we're going to extend our area of activities beyond the PL deposit to test approximately 22 kilometers of very prospective geology on strike from the PL and Nokomis deposits.
Can you tell me what is unique to Minnova's story relative to your peer group?
Yeah, I think we're different in a couple of different ways. At the project level, technically speaking, our CapEx is very low. We're permitted, so our timeline to production is relatively short compared to our peer group. We've got tremendous exploration potential, and then in addition to that, we also have a capital structure that I think is very attractive to investors in today's market. We have less than 30 million shares outstanding, and we believe we can deliver a lot of leverage to production, to exploration success on a per share basis, and that's really our focus going forward.
What is your value proposition?
Minnova really has 2 value propositions for shareholders. We're both a production stage company, potentially producing as much as 45,000 ounces per annum starting in 2018, and also the exploration side of the company, where we haven't really tested the exploration potential beyond the PL deposit and the Nokomis deposit, which will make up the first production phase of the company. We're at the feasibility study stage, which again, timeline to production is short. Our forecast capex is about 30 million Canadian, very low relatively speaking. We think we can get into production on a very expedited timeline with a good capital structure and deliver a lot of value for our shareholders going forward.
All right, now if investors are looking to find you, where are you trading and what is your stock symbol?
Minnova Corp stock symbol is MCI. We trade on the Toronto Venture Exchange. We've been publicly listed for about 5 years now. We got great shareholders and we're continuing to add to that shareholder base with strategic investors all the time.
Perfect. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.